I suspect the Rebel moniker kept people in the US away from the T6S. It was called the EOS 760D in most of the world, because the new Rebel-free EOS 77D looks just like it, plus the same updates that Canon brought to the T7i. It gets the 24.2 megapixel Dual Pixel CMOS with 45-point phase detection autofocus and the same metering system that are in the 80D. As such, it remains a marginally more advanced option than that with its slightly better build quality and top status display, but it now fits even more awkwardly between the T7i and the 80D, because it's also just a cheaper, lesser build quality version that lacks any sort of weather sealing. And that's not even a given with real prices, rather than Canon-set ones. So I suspect the 80D will either be replaced this summer by an updated model, or by a new model that better occupies the middle ground between the 77D and 7D Mark II. It also gets the newbie focused alternative interface with thumbnail based indicators of how changes to settings will affect changes to the photo. Unlike on the T7i, though, this will be an optional rather default interface. Plus, the company also adds low-energy Bluetooth to maintain a persistent or quick pairing connection for improved Wi-Fi connectivity. To go with the 77D and T7i/800D, Canon also introduced a new kit lens, the FS18 55mm f4-5.6's SDM. It's a bit more compact than its predecessor, shorter by 0.6 inches, 13mm, and slimmer by 0.1 inches, 2.5mm. But oddly it's heavier by about 0.35 ounces, 10 grams. While 20% smaller may sound like a lot, and that's only the length, the width is 3% narrower. It's a pretty trivial difference at that size, especially given the TRADR for 1/3 stop. In other words, it lets in a third less light at 18mm. It will cost the same too, $250, about £200 or $310 converted. It's also the first of Canon's new line of consumer f4 lenses. The good news is that it will work with Canon's $150, £125, $230 PZ1 power zoom adapter. It's scheduled to be available in April 2017 at $900 for the body, $1,050 with the new 18 55mm f4-5.6 SDM lens, and $1,500 with the 18 to 135 SDM lens. I don't have UK or Australian prices yet, but those directly convert to about £725, £840, and £1,200, or $1,180, $1,375 and $1,960.